Right, quick one today. A few people have asked what that is on my wrist. It's a Hilo blood pressure monitor, and I wouldn't be without it. And before we go any further, it's not sponsored. I bought this myself. I've used it for about 3 years. It's an absolute godsend. I don't think this one's waterproof. I think the latest ones are waterproof, but it's not sponsored, and I've owned this for years, paid for it myself, and I'm only talking about it because I genuinely rate it, and I know how much trouble it saved me and how convenient it is, as opposed to taking blood pressure readings with the normal cuff and waiting for it to blow up and sitting there for 5 or 10 minutes while you relax first of all, and then as soon as it starts blowing up, you're not relaxed anymore and your blood pressure goes up. And now I do have a referral link in the description that gives new buyers 20% off if you use it. I may get a referral benefit too, so I'm being totally upfront about that. So referral link, 20% off, and also you get your first year's subscription free. Full disclosure, you may have guessed this, but I'm not a doctor. This isn't medical advice, and if you're worried about your blood pressure, speak to a healthcare professional. However, I was worried about mine. I spoke to a healthcare professional. They put me on tablets. I didn't like taking the tablets, and I decided that I needed to kind of find an alternative way. I don't like taking tablets, full stop. When I got this, it allowed me to track my blood pressure daily, during the day, during the night, seeing what raised it, where it spiked, and then I managed to cut most of that stuff out. The reason I rate the Hilo bracelet's simple. Blood pressure isn't one number. It changes with stress, sleep, food, caffeine, work, even the time of day. Mine, when I'm asleep, it's like really low, and as soon as I wake up, it shoots through the roof. That must be when I stand up or something, I don't know, but you can see what affects it. You build up a pattern, you realise what it is, and then you stop doing it, if you've any sense. Me, not so much, but at least I know what's caused it, and that it's not kind of a health issue. It's more a stupidity issue. Staying out too late, drinking too much, eating too much, and burning my candle at both ends when there's not much of my candle left, even the time of day. So if you only take one reading at the doctor, or you do 1 or 2 quick readings at home, you can end up chasing the wrong number. And I personally get what people call white coat readings, where the situation itself pushes your blood pressure up. Hilo helped me because it gave me a more normal real life picture, not just a one-off snapshot when I'm tense or rushing. With the cuff measurement, what you have to do with this, once you've set it up, it runs for a month, but then you have to recalibrate it. So your Bluetooth cuff, you use this, click recalibrate, and then you're okay for another month. Now, even this, when I'm recalibrating, if I'm watching TV or anything, you can guarantee all of a sudden there's a car chase or a shootout, whatever, and that puts my blood pressure up then. I kind of have to sit there, I switch the TV off while I calibrate it, but I only have to do that once a month, not every single day while I'm taking my blood pressure. And for me, that made it easier to spot patterns, make changes and stay consistent. Even going for a walk, I notice my blood pressure goes up when I don't get as much walking in. I often walk into town or around the park. And if I don't do that daily, I can see my blood pressure creeping up again. Drinking water. Who'd have thought water was good for you? But it is. Eating fruit. All those sorts of things are good for your blood pressure. And over a period of time, you can tell because your pressure starts coming down. So you spot real life trends, not one-off snapshots. So what it does, in my plain English, Hilo's a band you wear on your wrist, and it's designed to track your blood pressure throughout the day or night. So instead of one reading at the doctor through random snapshots a day, you get something much closer to a 24-hour view. which in my experience is just massively more useful for understanding what's going on. Now here's the reason I'm mentioning it right now. The app has just added 2 new features, step tracking and sleep tracking. And I'll be honest, this is exactly what I wanted because it gives your blood pressure context. If your sleep is all over the place or your activity drops, as I've just said, not walking into town as much, I can see the difference. So if your activity drops off a cliff, you can often see it reflected in how your body behaves over time. So having blood pressure plus steps plus sleep in one place, it's a big upgrade. Also, you can use your iPhone to take a measurement with the camera on your finger. I'm ready to start measuring. Get started. It's completing the circle, and the funny thing is that my beats per minute were going up. So you only get 3 of these a month. Your blood pressure is in the elevated range, but trust me, that's only because I'm doing this and it's in front of the camera. Because I can look back, that's my blood pressure. Friday 10th of October, you'll see, all green, and then, what was I doing there? Oh, I was moving furniture. This is how I use it in real life. I'm not sitting there staring at individual readings. I look at the trend. What's my general direction this week? Is it improving? What changed if it's not? Sleep, stress, diet, activity. It's basically turned it from panic over one number into track the pattern and stay consistent. On Hilo's website right now, there's a bundle offer showing £209.99, and it includes 1 year membership free, and that's shown as being worth £79.99. The important bit is there's a monthly subscription charge for membership after the included period. You pay monthly if you keep the membership going, and trust me, you will do. But just be aware of that anyway. And I'd always say, check the current price and subscription detail on the page before you buy, because offers can change. Who I think it's for and who it's not. I think Hilo is for you if you want a bigger picture than one-off readings. You want something you can wear day to day. You want to understand trends, not just individual numbers. It's not for emergencies, and it's not a replacement for proper medical care. However, I would say it reduces it if you use it correctly. It's a tool to help you monitor and understand what's going on. My referral link is in the description. Again, full transparency. If you use it, I may benefit too. It's no dearer to you, but I may benefit from introducing you. The bottom line, I've used Hilo for years. I genuinely rate it. And for me, it's been a far better way of tracking blood pressure than relying on occasional snapshots, especially when you factor in things like white coat readings. And now with steps and sleep tracking added to the app, it's even more useful day to day. Drop your questions below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.